The letter I moonlights as an imaginary number, which is a real thing. Okay, let's think about this. The, letter. It's an A hand and it goes to a B hand. Letter. The sign is done on your support hand side. Letter. I, just your pinky straight up. I, moonlights. Moon. It's an L hand, and then you curl it, put it at your eye, and bring it up like you're looking at the moon. Moon, light. Light is a flick of your middle finger and your thumb. Light and light, like that. So moonlights. Moonlights, plural. Moonlights. As, A hand to an S. As. An is just a flick of the wrist. Focus on your pinky side of your hand and bringing it down so that that is pointing to the ground. Okay? An. Imagine, imaginary, imagine. So you take your pinky and you put it up here at your head and you wiggle it as it goes, your hand moves up and towards the same side. So imagine, airy is your R hand and it arcs towards the same side. So imaginary. Number. Flat hands, bring your fingers to your thumbs, put them together, and then you twist them like so. Your first one is your lead hand palm is out, support hand palm is in, and twist them so it's opposite. Number, and then you bring them back. Number. Which. You just have your thumbs up, and one goes up, then the other one. Which. Is. Have your I and your S. Is. Just an A hand. Real. So you have an R hand, your palm is out, you put it at your lips, and then you move it down so your palm is facing down. Real. Thing. Your flat hand is facing the opposite side, and then it arcs up and over towards your same side. So, thing. Okay, try with me. Ready? The letter I, moonlights as an imaginary number which is a real thing. Or the letter I moonlights as an imaginary number which is a real thing.